In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of refining your keyword search using the powerful filters available on oneof10.com. First, you need to visit the site of oneof10.com, which you can find the link to it in the video description. After logging in or signing up if you don't have an account, enter your desired keyword into the search bar. Click on the filter button to access the filtering options. Here, you can adjust parameters such as the multiplier, publication date, and channel size to narrow down your search results. For example, you can set the multiplier to 3 to only display the videos that have performed at least 3 times better than average on their respective channels. Experiment with different filter settings to tailor your search to your specific needs and preferences. By refining your keyword search with OneOf10, you'll be able to discover highly relevant and engaging video topics for your content. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.